Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMeet Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a combo chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a combo chart on your WPS spreadsheet on the computer, just going to show in this video. So first of all, I'm just going to select the data first here like this. And then if you're on the home section on the top, you can just want to change this to the insert option. In the insert option, you can find this chart on here. So just click on this top menu. You can find different type of charts here. So just click this. You can see the chart has been changed. If you want to change this chart, you just click align here like this. So here you can instantly change the chart theme. And after that, double tap on the chart. So you have this option on the top called drawing tool, which you can just change the background colors like this. You can also change to different colors if you just need it. And also you have this option to have a shadow effect if you just need it, or like a 3D rotation and soft edge. And also you just need to change the text tool here. So you can just change the text option from here. It's fully customizable. And click on the chart tools, which here you can just change the theme set colors like this. And also you can just change the color theme if you just need it. As you have a presets, like a lot of presets here, you can just choose any one of the presets to change the theme set colors. So you have a lot of customizable options on this type. And here also you have this change the chart type, whatever you just can do it with this WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMeet Unique. Have a wonderful day.